The first step to using the Service-Disabled Veterans Enterprise System is to create an account. To create an account, begin by navigating to the portal and click on the Login button. You will be directed to the newyork.gov login. Beneath the large Sign In button, you'll see a section for creating an account. If you already have a newyork.gov account that you use for any other purpose, you can use that account to log in. If you don't already have an account, click the Create an Account button. You'll be navigated to select the account types. As a business, select Business. On the Obtain a newyork.gov ID Business User Account, scroll to the bottom of the screen until you find the label NYS Office of General Services. You'll note that this specifically identifies the SDVES applications. Click on the link. Fill out a first name, last name, and email, then confirm the email and select a username. Information about the details of the username are identified. Click the Create Account button when you've entered all the information. Verify the information you've entered. When you've completed the process of self-registration, an email will be sent to the email address you supplied. That email will allow you to set the password. Click Finish when you're done. Once you've set your password, you can return to the Service-Disabled Veterans Enterprise System and log in using the account you just created. You can follow the steps in the login video if you need assistance.